Everyone knows that Europe is such a pretty continent. So for me, personally, my view regarding Europe has been all the fancy things that we have seen on Bollywood movies. But as I have come here and explored Europe, I have realized that actual beauty of Europe lies outside cities, that is in small towns, in countryside. So today we are going to go on one such ride where we would be covering these small towns and as well as one special thing, which is a road above sea. Can you imagine that? But that's possible in Netherlands because whole Netherlands is actually built on top of water, right? So this is going to be our ride for today. I'll show you exactly our path on Google Maps that we will be covering today. This is the route we are going to take for our drive today. We are starting from our home in Amsterdam North. The first stop for today is going to be Silverstrand Beach. From there, we are going to head towards Almere, Lelystad, and going to go on this particular road, which is Marker Road. You can see this road is literally on the sea, right? So this is Silverstrand Beach. It had beautiful views. Unfortunately, we couldn't stay here for longer time because it started raining unexpectedly. What can we say about Dutch weather? Never ever trust Dutch weather. So we are reaching Almere now, which is a city raised literally from the sea. The first house here was built in 1976. Almere then became a municipality in 1984. In 2007, the City Council of Almere made agreements with the government to expand the city. So you can see all the new houses built here. Imagine being given the opportunity to design an entirely new landscape and town from scratch with a dash of Dutch design. Almere is the newest city in the Netherlands and it is known for its architect. Wow, look at this view, it's so beautiful. There's sea on our left side, but this is not it. Going forward, there would be a path where it would be sea on both sides and just a small road in middle. So finally we are on the road we were waiting for. Isn't it so pretty? Sea on both sides and just small road in the middle. So this is where we are, almost at the end of these beautiful views. So it's over. We are on highway again. Heading back to home now. But the route going forward was also very pretty. We saw lots of green landscapes, farms, windmills, and definitely this beautiful sky. I definitely enjoyed this ride and it was indeed the best route that we have driven so far. I hope you liked this view as much as I did. If yes, don't forget to like this video and also please subscribe to our channel. We will be posting our new videos soon. Till then, okay, bye.